Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And today we are going to talk about volume of prism, which is the term in revision for grade 7. Let's start the lesson. These questions will deal with a rectangular prism, or sometimes it is also called cube or cuboid. Okay. A cooler is in the shape of a rectangular prism. Find its volume, round the volume to the nearest hundredth if necessary. Okay. Now, what we can do here? Okay, so what's the formula for volume of prism? It is volume of any prism, okay, not necessarily to be a rectangular prism. Volume of prism is equal to area of the base times height. Okay, this is the general volume for prism. Okay, area of the base times height. So if base is a circle, then it will be area of circle multiplied by height, means I'm talking about the cylinder. Okay, if base is a triangle, then area of triangle multiplied by the height, means I'm talking about the triangular prism. Like this you can solve the question. So here, what is the base? Base is a rectangle. Why? Because it is a rectangular prism. Okay, so it will be area of rectangle multiply by height. Now, area of rectangle, if you remember the formula, this is base multiply by height times, and here height, this height and rectangle height is different. Okay, so just to distinguish between them, I will write here length and width and then height. Okay, now this is, you see, one side of the rectangle is 22, another side of the rectangle is 12. So any one side you can take it as length, another side as width. Okay, now multiply by height is 10.5 inch. So 10.5 means I am going to make it 10.5, but before that multiply 22 by 12, then it will be, or you can, if calculator is allowed, you can do it with the calculator also. Okay, so in place of 10.5 I will write in place of 10.5 I will write 10.5. So this is 22 multiply by 12 multiply by 10.5, and this will be 2772. 2772. What will be the unit? Unit will be inch cube. Okay, or you can write it as like this also, cubic inch. Okay, unit is very important for you to write. Okay, don't forget to mention the unit. Now let's see the next question. A cereal box is in the shape of a rectangular prism. Same type of question with the different numbers. So volume is equal to length multiply width multiply height. This formula will work only for the rectangular prism. Okay, now so this is 1 and a 3/4. This is the one side, or you can write it as 8 times 1 and 3/4 times 12 and 1/8. Now you can write it as 8 times, you can convert it into decimal, or if you want you can convert it into improper fraction. So it's okay, whatever you want you can do it. Okay, so I'm making it into decimal because finally we have to find the answer in the decimal places. Okay, so why to waste the time in calculating in improper fraction? So 3/4 means 0.75 times 12 point, it will be 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 fives are 40. Okay, now we will multiply it. So this is 8 multiply 1.75, then multiply, then 12.125. Okay, and answer will be 169.75, and they are saying to nearest hundredth, so it is up to hundredths place, no problem. So its unit will be cubic inch. Okay, like this you can do this question again. Now another question can be, find volume to the nearest hundredth if necessary. Now you see here figure is different. This is now triangle, so we can take it as base and then See, another confusion can be, you can say, Mr. Here you see base is a rectangle. Yes, base is a rectangle, but this base is not continuing up. Okay, prism means, what is the meaning of prism? Prism means whatever shape you have down, the same shape will continue up also without changing the width, like this. Okay, then it will be called prism, otherwise it will not be called. So you can see, if you consider this triangle, then the height will continue with the same triangle at the back side also. Yes, so this means it is a triangular prism. So what I told you, volume is equal to area of base times height. So this is area of base, means area of triangle multiply by height. So what will be the area of triangle? Do you remember the formula? Pause the video and write the answer in the comment. Area of triangle, this is half times base times height. This is the base of the triangle and this is height of the triangle. Okay, multiply by height of the prism is this one, 3. Okay, now we can simplify this. So 7.2 divided by 2 is 3.6. 3.6 multiply by 3, it will be, or multiply by 9, it's okay, you can do with the calculator as well. So 9 6 are 54, 9 3 are 27 and 5, 32 times 3, which is 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 3 3s are 97.2 meter cube. Okay, like this you can solve the question. Next question can be, find the volume. Same type of question because it is also a triangular prism. Okay, so pause the video and try to solve it yourself. So volume is equal to area of base, means triangular area, multiply by height. Okay, and this is half times, what is base here? 2.6. Height of the triangle is 4.1 and height of the prism is 5.1. So 2.6 divided by 2 will be 1.3. Now we will multiply them using calculator. We can do it. So 1.3 multiply by 4.1. Okay, not this one. I think by mistake I put some wrong button here. 1.3 times 4.1 multiply by 5.1. 5.1. Okay, so this will be 83.64 and unit will be meter cube. Okay, like this you can do this question. Another question can be, a triangular prism has a height of 5.9 meter and volume of 86.376 cubic meter. What is the area of the base? Now this question will be very easy for you. See, first you write the formula. Volume of triangular prism, triangular prism is equal to area of base times height. So this is a volume of the triangular prism. They have given us the value, yes. So 86.376 is equal to area of the base. We have to find because it is missing. Area of the base times height of the prism is 5.9. Okay, so area of the base will be, area of the base is equal to 86.376 divided by 5.9. You can divide it by calculator as well. So it is 86.376 divided by 5.9. 5.9 and answer will be 14.64. Can you guess the unit here? Pause the video and write your answer in the comment. What will be the unit of this area? Did you say meter square? Yes. So it will be meter square or square meter. Okay, like this you can do this question. Another question can be, a triangular box of sticky notes is shown. The volume of the box of sticky notes is 54.6 cubic inches. Okay, what is the height of this? Okay, so same type of question. Volume is equal to area of the base multiplied by height. Now this is volume is what? It is 54.6. Area of the base. Area is a triangle, you can see, and we can find the area of triangle half times base times height. Okay, and then times height of the prism is missing. Now how can we do this thing? Okay, we can do it like 5.2 divided by 2 is 2.6. So h is equal to 54.6 divided by 2.6 times 3.5. Okay, now if calculator is not allowed in your exam, then you can do it manually also. Okay, but if it is allowed, definitely you will go with the calculator. What you can do here, you see I think decimal place at 1 point, decimal place at 1 point, cancel it. Now 26 times 2, 52, 2 remainder 26, 26 times 1, 26. Okay, so this is 21 upon 3.5 means 210 divided by 35. Okay, now we can simplify this. I think it will cancel and it will be 6 times. Okay, so its answer will be 6 inches. Like this you can solve the question. So my dear students, hope you have understood these questions. And see, the thing is only here, you remember the formula and then you will have a good command and care about the calculator, because if any button, any wrong number you will press in the calculator, then every calculation will be wrong. Okay, I am sure you understood, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.